Python is a programming language in computer science that's widely used for software development, data analysis, web development, scripting, and more. It's known for its simplicity and readability, making it great for beginner and experienced programmers. Python supports multiple programming paradigms, including procedural, object-oriented, and functional programming. It offers a large standard library that includes modules and functions for tasks such as file I/O, networking, database access, and more. The extensive ecosystem of third-party libraries and frameworks Python provides is one of its key strengths. Libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, Django, and Flask provide additional functionalities for tasks like scientific computing, data manipulation, machine learning, web development, and more. The availability of these libraries make Python a popular choice for data scientists, researchers, and developers working in different domains. Python is an interpreted language, which means that the code is executed line by line rather than being compiled into machine code before execution. This makes it highly flexible and allows for rapid development and prototyping.